Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're jumping into the charts for Bitcoin. We had a bit of a drop the last few hours. We reached 65k yesterday and then just slowly bleeding down. However, volume picking up, which is beautiful. We've got a Telegram chat. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, Meta, admits that Biden-Harris administration pressured his team to censor on the platform. In the last few hours, we've had last 30 minutes, we've had Bitcoin rebound from 62,700 to 63k. Market cap 2.3 million viewers. 2.3 trillion US dollars, sorry. So we're getting a bounce back in the altcoins. We're on neutral now, no longer in fear. Funding fees still close to negative and Bitcoin sitting at 63k. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and it's already reset. So let's go straight into Bitcoin. We'll go into the weekly. Yesterday's stop loss hit on that trade. The weekly candle finished yesterday, and it was a very bullish engulfing candle on the weekly. Stochastic, though, looking like it's trying to head down today. Crypto Guru Bot, still a blue buy, which it fired in 2023 at 20k. You get it in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a buy, or just fired a sell just now. Interesting. Or fired a buy, and now just the sell on today's candle. Interesting. Weekly. It did make a higher low. Let's go close onto the daily. Daily Stochastic also overbought, heading down. We need to see a double top. But on the daily, the Stochastic not looking so beautiful. Let's see if we can create some pattern here. See if there's any pattern. I would say from here. No, can't really see a pattern there. No real pattern forming that I see so far, except on the bigger time frame, you have this broadening descending wedge, which is a bullish pattern. Broadening descending wedge. It's like a megaphone, builds pressure and breaks up. So it's still bullish on that pattern. On the daily, Stochastic overbought, heading down, but we need to see a double top. Let's see what the indicator bots. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell, didn't fire a buy. Bitcoin Crypto Group Bot, Bitcoin Indicator Bot too quickly firing. Let's go close on to the 4-hourly. 4-hourly, we have a bit of a pattern forming here. It's a rising. Let's see. You could even measure it, but we've got some kind of channel, it's climbing here. So we could pull back to 62,300. Then we have this. Everyone, rising broadening wedge on the 4-hourly. Shit. Builds pressure, and breaks down. Target would be the base of the rising broadening wedge. Base of the target would be 54k. That's a big drop. Some news, some war possible. I mean, we could reverse out of here, but that's a rising wedge. As I teach in the Crypto Master Course, it builds pressure and then breaks down. Target would be strong support, would be around 56 possible for a bounce, even 54 possible. We can break out of here, but it is possible this rising wedge plays out. Okay, we need to get more information because I need to see on the other, if there's other indicators telling me this, I might need to close out positions. Let's go to the total 2.1 trillion, not 2.3 trillion net. Also broadening wedge on the 4-hourly, on the daily. Rising wedge, sorry. Let's get rid of this. We also have a similar rising wedge. Everyone see it? On the total market cap of crypto. So and this is on the daily. Let's see what the target of this is, and then I'll look at Ethereum to get my final decision. $1.9 trillion. It could rise to 2.2 trillion, then drop to 1.9 trillion. Also rising wedge. Okay, let's look at Ethereum. So total market cap showed rising wedge. Bitcoin showed rising wedge. Ethereum 2687. Also showing rising wedge. So on three different okay, let's check out Doge now. Yeah, rising wedge, you see it? Builds pressure, and breaks down. Target would be the base of the rising wedge, so Ethereum target will also be, Ethereum target would be 2,300. So I'd move this trade down to 2,300 if it's not yet active. That's the trade I'll take on Ethereum. Okay, let's go into Doge, and with this I'll make the final decision. It looks like rising wedges everywhere, also on Doge. It looks like we have one final drop in the crypto markets, everyone. I'm also seeing this bear flag on Doge. See? Pole and then flag. It's a bearish bear flag. Looks like there's going to be some news, everyone, that's going to drop the markets. And for Doge, that will put it in the final position for the bigger descending wedge breakout. If we get a drop here on this bear flag, get a bounce off 6 cents, then we have the final. Very possible. But it is in a position to break out Doge. But that bear flag, that rising wedge is on every time frame. Let's look at Uniswap, $6.30. On the daily, let's see what we've got. That was a descending wedge on the daily. That broke out. Let's go closer onto the 4 hourly. But on the 4 hourly, again, rising, looks bearish flag a little bit forming. Same like Doge. This one's more rising, broadening wedge. Looks like the markets are about to drop, everyone. Okay, we know what to do underneath my video, but I have a beautiful 5.5 Bitcoin trade. Shit. I don't know. Underneath the video, go down below. Sign up to Bybit, get 60k bonus if you use that Bybit link. It's my favorite exchange for trading. If you've been losing money on other exchanges, or they're not safe, or you're not sure, Bybit is the best. Take the crypto master course to learn all this, and join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading in there. What do you think? Uniswap showed rising, broadening wedge, which is bearish. Doge showed rising bear flag, which is bearish. Ethereum showing rising wedge, bearish, target 2,300. Bitcoin showing also rising wedge, target 53k. Okay, unfortunately reducing all my positions. My beautiful Bitcoin trade, 28k yesterday, was almost 40k in the profits. 5.5 Bitcoin trade, 28k in the profits. 28k in the profits. Close. Boom. Taking profits. Setting my trade to rebuy at my target, which is 54k. I'll get hate on this video, everyone. 54,000 is my buy. I'm going to do another 6 Bitcoin. So derivatives, 54k. I'm opening 6 Bitcoin. 6 Bitcoin long at 54k. 6 Bitcoin. It's going to cost me $16,000. The trade will be 324,000. Liquidation price 51. Confirm. Let's make it bigger if it pulls back to my target. Let's go 8 Bitcoin. Oh yeah. Confirm. So I've got an 8 Bitcoin trade at 54k. Now I'm going to close out spots, everyone. My account 613. Whoa, big hit from yesterday. Something big just dropped. What just dropped? I was 639 yesterday, and then something is dropping right now. I think Bitcoin is dropping as I'm talking. Yeah, as I'm talking, Bitcoin is dropping. Whoa. Okay, closing out my position. Sell. I've got 2.4 Bitcoin at the current price. Bitcoin is falling as I was taking these trades. Sell $150,000. Closing my Bitcoin. Sold my 2 Bitcoin. Crazy. As I was making, guys, look at this. As I was talking about this, Bitcoin started dropping. As I was talking, this is the last 1 hour. As I was talking, Bitcoin dropped from 62,900. It started to drop. Look at that. The last 4 hours, but this last hour. Interesting. Let's keep closing out the. So now I've got USDT 250. Doge closing. Sell all Doge at current price. 71,000. Sell. Orders executed. All sold. To buy Doge, where am I going to buy it again? as I showed on the video, buying Doge at bear flag target. Bear flag target is the pole of the bear flag. So this distance, which lines up at the bottom of the wedge. So my buy order on Doge is 0.073. 0.073. I'm gonna buy another 70,000 of it. 70,000. So I'm gonna buy 70,000 Doge at 0.073 confirmed. What else I've got? I've got 320k cash. MCRT 69. It's quite undervalued in my opinion, not on any big exchanges yet. So I'm gonna keep it. You have to do your own due diligence. Let's check out Uniswap. I'm a seed investor in a lot of these projects, everyone. Broadening rising wedge, the base of the broadening rising wedge, the base of the wedge, sorry, the distance of the broadening rising megaphone is the distance that we drop, $5.40. Look, they all line up as well. Crazy, huh? Selling everything. Uniswap dropped a lot, 5%. Wow, as I'm making these videos, everyone, everything is dropping. As I'm making this, sell Uniswap 59,000 at current price. 59,000, sell. I made a lot of profit. Look at my buy. Guys, look at my buy on Uniswap. Look at my sell when I warned everyone last time at $7.40, sold, bought at $3, $4.70, and now I'm selling again at $6.20. Look at my beautiful, beautiful trades. Those are not yet activated. It's dropping as I'm closing everything, everyone. It's dropping. MCRT Uniswap is closed. It's not closed out yet. Interesting. Why is it dropped as I'm trying to close the trades? Let's see if it closes out. This is on Uniswap, down 5%. It's trying to close. It's closing some, closing some, closing some. Look, you can see here 6.2915, 7,000. So now I've got cash 334,000. Uniswap World and Ethereum. Let's check out World. And I have to set my Uniswap buy. World. World, huge drop since yesterday. Whoa. From $1.90 to $1.60. Also bearish flag showing. Everyone, I react to the market currently. I don't hope, I don't pray, I just go based off the technicals, and I'm seeing bearish flags forming, everyone, and on every chart almost. Yeah, okay, time to buy. World will be 98 cents. Selling World at current price, down 10%. Wow, as I'm selling, it's all plummeting. Selling World at current price, $20,000. And then I'm buying World at 98 cents. 0.98. I'm going to buy, I just sold 20,000. Let's buy 30,000. I'm buying 30,000 World at 0.98 buy. I've got my Bitcoin trade, 54, World closed. So now I've cashed 354, MCRT 69, Uniswap 46, didn't sell yet. Or did it sell already? It sold 2,000 of 9,000 at the current price. Looks like it will close out, or I could close it and I could sell the remaining. Yep, better, because it looks like it's all falling. Sell the remaining at current price, 46,300. Sell Uni. Let's see how much sells. All successfully sold. Okay, let's go to, so USD 400K. So now I'm mainly in cash. Ethereum 18K. I already checked Ethereum. Also sell. It looks like some news, everyone, is going to come out. 18K of Ethereum sold. I'm going to buy Ethereum at Ethereum 26. My target is 2316. So sold. I'm going to buy 23. I'm going to buy 23. I'm going to buy another 40K of Ethereum at 2,300. Buy. So I've got bias of an Ethereum 2,300. World 98 cents. Doge 0.07. Pocket, I didn't make those buys. Ethereum, I've got 10 at 2,000. Uniswap $3.60. World 98 cents. Sorry, I fixed. So that's the trade, and I've got my Bitcoin trade for 8 Bitcoin at 54. Let's do 10 Bitcoin at 54K. Okay, so that's set. My buy is the set there. I didn't buy my spot Bitcoin, so I need to buy spot Bitcoin as well. Spot Bitcoin I want to buy at 54K. And I want to buy 2.5 let's get 3 Bitcoin at 54K. Buy $162,000. Wow, I just moved it around like $500,000. 6 MCRT Pocket. Let's check out Pocket. So I've got my spot buys for Bitcoin, Ethereum, World, Doge. I need Uniswap buys. Uniswap. I didn't set the Uniswap buys. $6.20. My target of Uni, $5.40. So set my Uniswap buys, $5.40. Uni. So everyone, looks like a drop is gonna Uniswap $5.40. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. This is what I'm doing in the market, $5.40, and I'm gonna buy. How much did I sell? I think let's buy 30,000. Let's buy $40,000 of Uni at $5.40. More, 50,000 at $5. No, it's too much on the drop. 30,000. Buy $5.40. So I've got my buy orders for Uniswap $5.40, Bitcoin 54K, 3 Bitcoin, Ethereum 2,317 Ethereum, World 0.98 and Doge 0.73, and Bitcoin 54K. This account now is 613K and it's mostly in cash. 419K, 69K. Pocket I could check. Let's check Pocket if it's gonna drop. Pocket. 44 cents. Pocket had a big bounce pump recently. Let's go into the 4-hourly. Off the bottom, it pumped like crazy. Looks like a little bull flag on the 4-hourly, so I'll keep Pocket as is. But it can drop a little bit. So those are my trades, everyone. I closed out most of my... Yeah, I closed... Let's see if I've got anything in the other derivatives. I've just got USD 109K. Funding fee, I've got Bitcoin 780, mostly in cash. 780. I can just close it and then buy it. I have to move it. Okay, I keep it as is. Everyone, that was a crazy video actually. Like I just looked at the charts and then closed $500,000 worth of assets of my Bitcoin, etc., based off those rising wedges. Rising wedges and mostly rising wedges patterns. Everyone, you have to do your own due diligence. This is risky, but I just closed my Bitcoin, Ethereum, all my alts. Bitcoin, I just sold $500,000 worth of assets plus my 300. So I just sold $800,000 worth of crypto, and I set my buy orders low. You can learn all of this under the video. Go down below. You can learn it all in the crypto master course. Join us on Bybit. That's where I trade. It's the best for trading. And then join us in Telegram. I'm going to read some of your comments. What do you think about what I just sold, guys? Thanks, bro. Really great. You're welcome. Looks like Bitcoin heading south. Looks like it actually on that new pattern. All the best from Poland. It must be like some war or something is coming. James, what are the indicators that show you supports? You can learn it in the Stock Guru Master Course and the Crypto Master Course, the indicator supports. Good morning from, I don't know that flag, Highlander, probably Norway or Switzerland or something. Doge or bark, no bite. I think something is going to come out. Aside from calling me Martin Tully, I really appreciate you responding to my comment during last video. You're a boss, and Ili for the explanation. Please keep us updated, bro. You're welcome. Good morning, Pentic. Good morning, James. Bybit giveaway. I have to organize. Hello from Israel. Wishing you peace and safety, and everyone no war and happiness and peace and love and enjoying their lives and having fun and only thinking and enjoying their days. And just I wish everyone around the world safety, peace, happiness. I sold, everyone. Bitcoin getting a little bit of a rebound right now, but you just see it bleeding out a little bit. And I closed my positions based off those indicators. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. This is not financial information. These are my trades. But in my opinion, there's a lot of signals that are showing we're going to have a short-term drop that could be quite brutal. I'm assuming it's something to do with the war news or something. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Just sold $800,000 worth of assets. My $316,000 Bitcoin trade closed it in $28,000 in profits, which I opened at the last drop at 48 after I sold at 67 before. By the way, I want to show my buys and sells because they're quite incredible. Oh, look at that rebound on Bitcoin. Nice one. 62.6. Let's see my buys and sells. So I just want to show you. So this is where I bought Uniswap. This is where I bought Uniswap. I bought it at $4.70, and this is where I just sold at $6.20. This is where I bought Bitcoin, where I sold Bitcoin when I gave everyone the warning, 66, and bought it at 48, and just sold it at 63. Ethereum, I bought it at the bottom on the drop. Look, my buy at 2,093. I just sold it at 2,700. World or Doge, let's do Doge. Doge I bought here and I sold here on the spots. So I made a little bit of gains, not so crazy on Doge. Those are my main orders, and my Bitcoin trade was also very on point. This is where I bought Bitcoin. Doesn't show for some reason where I went long. I went long on the drop here at 48 and just closed it out here at 63. That's my updates in the market, everyone. Again, you have to do your own due diligence. This is just my opinion. What I saw in the markets just now, and I'm reacting to it. You have to do your own due diligence. I'm getting it out quick. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.